Hi everyone, welcome to my third daily edition. In this daily edition, I'm going to be talking about the importance of charts in organization. So specifically, it's how charts work when organizing data, information, and any stuff that needs to be organized, specifically in the creative industries. So let's start our presentation. Now, there are two charts that really stand out to me that can be represented very easily, as well as it stands out as being a chart that is easy to use, easy to read, and lastly, easy to manipulate. Now, the first thing is the pie chart. The pie chart is a circle that divides percentages of data, so that basically it shows us a percentage of data. So, for example, when let's say we take a survey on whether people like our new service or not. Using a pie chart gives us the exact percentage that people like, of the people that like our product versus the people that don't like our product. For example, let's say 60% of people don't like our product and 40% of people do. So, in order to counter this, we can maybe decrease the price of that product a little bit, or secondly, discontinue that product in general. So that's the use of pie chart in the creative industry. Next is going to be the bar chart. So the bar chart is basically a bunch of bars that give data points to specific groups. So for example, let's reuse the example from the last example, which is like our new product. 60% of people don't like it and 40% of people do. Now, if we use the bar chart, we can figure out the ages of the people that wanted the product and the people that didn't want the product. So we can further specify how many, basically specify our customer wants and how they treat our product based on age, background, and it basically helps us a lot with generally summarizing data in the creative industry. Now, when we combine these two charts together, it's very easy to use it in the creative industry. Firstly, it summarizes data in the creative industry, as I already presented. And secondly, a more niche thing is that it predicts trends. Now, let's say our product has a 60% and 40% dislike to like ratio. And this means that products that have that style or that kind of vibe does not match with the current trend. And we can use this to predict and basically manipulate our design for the next few products so that it better fits with the current trends. And because of this, our knowledge of the charts in organizing means that we take in information, we summarize it, and we use that data to predict what trends are going to be next in the creative industry. So, in conclusion, charts are really important as a part of this week's D3 as well as a part of the creative industry. So, that was all for my third daily edition. Thank you for listening.